Isad. Parang parent, ano? Akala mo parent, no? Anong suot mo lang yan para hindi mo mga bata ako din yung hinihilig. Sige mo na kami. It's his birthday. Sabi mo happy birthday. Ay! Ibigay mo pala to kay tita, oh. Oh, bigyan mo kay tita. Dance. Ay, ito tita. Thank you. Oh, magpe-play ka dyan. Ay! Ayun na, mag-play kayo ng bata. Mag-CR. Upo ka muna doon na yun. Nasaan si Willow? Ah, yun. Ay, ano to? Yung baby girl, no? Alin? Yung ganun mo? Kukuha kita.
Willow sa Christian World. Ako, once again, palapan pa natin ating mga birthday celebrants. Alright, so while we are not yet starting with our birthday celebration, kasi we still have a lot of special guests, alright, dito sa birthday celebration ni Lucas at ni Willow. At sa lahat ng mga Jolly Kids na narito ngayon, of course, we have prepared a lot of fun learning activities para sa inyo. Kaya naman, let's proceed to our priming activities sa lahat ng ating mga kids. Kuya Jeremy at Kuya Ate Sheila. Lahat ng Jollies natin, we will invite you all to please join us here dito po sa ating coloring chairs. Ayan, very good yung ating mga Jolly Kids dyan. I want all our Jolly Kids to have their name tags on. Kasi marami tayong mga surprises na
Para pa rin kayo
Jolly Kids.
Dali mo yan. Ako na yung ballpen ko.
Yes, very good. Ano po, kaya. At syempre para feel natin ang birthday celebration ni Lucas at ni Willow. Lahat ng kids natin dapat mag-wear ng kanilang ring activity. Bibigyan natin ng prize later. Alright. So for this activity, Jolly Kids, I will be giving you 5 minutes only, okay? And after our coloring activity, sisimulan na po natin ang pinakamasarap at pinakamasayang birthday party ng taon. Of course, kasama ng birthday celebrator.
Pinagkakitaan pa yung mga bata.
And Lucas. Kaya mga Jolly Kids, enjoy!
Ayan. Lucas, say hi. Yeah, you going to go on.
So naka-invent po siya ng robot arm na gagamitin natin sa ating game. Okay? So sabi niya, we are going to build a tower using this robot arm that is colored and numbered blocks. Okay? So you have here 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Being 5 the biggest block at yung 1 naman yung pinakamaliit na block. So sabi niya, in building a tower, we have to get first the biggest block, which is number 5. Isa-stack na lang po siya, kids, as fast as you can.
Alam mo yan, Coco?
Kasi, bibigyan namin kayo ng 20 seconds to build a tower. In using this robot arm, kids, ang gagawin niyo lang po, no, ay ipupull niyo lang po yung string natin dito para po mag-clip yung fingers ng ating robot arm. Okay, dapat tightly nahawakan ng ating robot arm. You pull, and then,
Coco, tingnan mo.
okay, as fast as you can. You can use your both hands in getting our blocks, okay? O kung sino po ang kids na makapag-build ng tower in 20 seconds, siya ang winner sa game na bibigyan natin ng prize, okay? Alright, so alam ko, excited na ang ating mga Johnny Kids sa ating first game ka naman. O palakpakan muna natin ang ating mga Johnny Kids. Thank you so much. Alright.
Gaganon mo, ha? Verse ko.
I will call out the name ha, kung sino po yung gagawa ng ating game at sabi ni Kokoy siya daw mauna.
Yeah.
O sige na ha. Pagbigyan rin natin agad si Kokoy. Ready? O, wag mo mag-alala yung mga little ones natin ibagay din ni Kuya Jordy. Alright, so 20 seconds on the clock. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go! Okay, very good. Next go! Ay, hindi na ayos pa, no? Very good, next go! Naku, last 5 seconds! 4, 3, 2, alright, let's go! Yes, palakpakan naman natin si Coco. Okay, wow, very good. Kaya siya, meron pang prize. Muli yan sa inyo, thank you so much. Next player. Alright, so we have Sophia. Okay. Shake, shake, shake. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, time is up. We have 5 people and run at that. Very good. Ay, halos na ba ng mga players? Come on, next players! Ay! Makbanili! Nawala! Nawala ang team! Mouse! Makakaya din dito. Oh, very good, next player! Makbanili! Ako, ang habol ang Billy Mouse! Napaya siya sa last one player na lang ang Billy Mouse! Napahaba niya! Last player! Napahali! Alright, so kita natin, no? To all our friends. And of course, I want to meet Lucas, our birthday boy. Kasama si Daddy Gia at si Mommy Marky. Ayan. Pero nasaan si Milo? Nako, si Milo na iantay natin, ha? Pasipan mo na yung mga kids natin. Alright, so ready. Nasaan si Milo? Ayan. Alright. Hello? Ayan siya. Alright, so for now, we may invite all our Jolly Kids to join us here. And all together, we are going to sing a happy birthday song for Lucas and Willow. Ready? Our Jolly Kids will be staying beside our cake. And all together, ready?
Let us all sing happy birthday song. And now, may I
Anak, hindi ikaw may birthday ah.
So all our jolly adults, please
Just a reminder.
stand up. Ayan, tayo po tayong lahat. At sabay-sabay po tayong kumanta ng happy birthday song. Thank you so much. Ayan, tayo po tayong lahat. Thank you so much. O kasama ang ating mga jolly adults dyan sa likod. Ang ating mga jolly kids. Together, we're going to sing the happy birthday song for Lucas and Willow. Okay naman? Once you hear the music, let's sing happy birthday. Go sing.
Ganda ka, boy. Ganda. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, yung sa mas mabilis at mas masaya. Go! Happy birthday! To Lucas and Willow. Alright, so for now, sabay-sabay po natin batiin. First, si ano muna na, si Lucas na isang napakalakas na happy birthday Lucas in 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, so this time, si Willow naman, isang napakalakas na happy birthday Willow in 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, so thank you so much. And of course, bago ay bulong ni Lucas at ni Willow ang kanilang birthday candles. Ayan na. Kung si Jollibee po nagbigay ng kanyang birthday wishes for Lucas and Willow, si Mommy at si Daddy po ay magbibigay rin po ng kanilang birthday message or wish for Lucas and Willow. Ano natin si Mommy? What is your message to Lucas and Willow?
Ano lang, good health, tapos lumaking matatagin mo siya.
Ay,
Ano pa ba? Siya, bad feeling, saka... Hindi ka nagkasami doon sa picture. Ano? Sorry. Yun lang.
Alright, thank you so much. Palapan natin si Mommy Anjay. And we have here si Daddy Gino naman po. Ano po yung message for Lucas and Willow?
Sana rin po sila na like
JL.
mami and dad palagi.
say hi.
And palaging malakas.
Say hi.
Hindi sila magkasakit. And ayun,
Kuya, malang siya,
maging
titignan natin.
active sila and lumaki na nag-serve sila.
Dito mo tingnan.
Alright, so thank you so much. Once again, palapan po natin si Lucas and Willow. Thank you so much. This time, kami naman po sa Jollibee, we wish natin all the best for Lucas and Willow. So para matupad po lahat ng mga wishes natin for Lucas and Willow,
Si Willow.
sabay-sabay po nila i-blow ang kanilang birthday candles. So ready? In 1. Alright, so once again, happy birthday! Alright, so thank you so much. And once again, happy birthday, Lucas and Willow. This time, let's have our photo up. Ayan, say a few minutes na po. Mabalik na si Jollibee. So magandang Jolly Town. Alam mo na ng cake sa mga cake.
Okay na.
Ayan, magpapapicture muna tayo.
Picture naman na tayo natin. Picture.
Alright, so ready? Kids muna. Let's get ready. 1, 2, 3.
DM.
Maria, tingin dito mas.
We still have 10 more minutes para makasama. Sino po yung tatawagin natin?
Bye.
Per table. Sige, we still have 10 more minutes. First, more ready. Next table po natin. Ready. Alright, so ready. Next table natin, sila po, sila. Alright, so thank you so much. Next table, sila Sir at Ma'am. Sir. Next table.
Happy birthday.
Pila sa libre.
Okay, Dar.
What will you say?
Okay, Dar.